Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review, based on my personal experience using the software, are down in the description below. In this video, we're taking a deep dive into Jackson Hewitt online tax software. If you're looking for simplicity and transparent pricing when filing your taxes, then Jackson Hewitt Online might be the perfect solution. Unlike many competitors that nickel and dime you with extra fees for forms and deductions, Jackson Hewitt offers a refreshing flat-rate pricing structure. This streamlined approach works whether your tax situation is straightforward or a bit more complex. The single, upfront price covers everything, making it a great value for W-2 employees, self-employed individuals, and those managing investments. One of Jackson Hewitt Online's most compelling features is its intuitive user interface. The platform guides you through each step of the tax preparation process with clear prompts and easy-to-understand explanations. This ensures you don't overlook potential deductions or credits, such as the child tax credit, education credits, or deductions for self-employment expenses. For filers who prefer a simple, no-frills approach, Jackson Hewitt Online is an excellent choice. Furthermore, the software permits unlimited state tax filings, a significant advantage for those with multi-state filing requirements. Adding to the peace of mind, Jackson Hewitt Online provides an $11,000 accuracy guarantee, promising to reimburse you for any penalties and interest incurred due to software errors. For additional assurance, you can opt for audit assistance, providing extra support should any post-filing issues arise. The platform also supports importing prior year tax data, streamlining the process by pulling information from previous returns, saving you time and minimizing potential errors. While Jackson Hewitt Online may not boast the most visually appealing interface or extensive features like live customer support or real-time chat with tax professionals, its simplicity and affordability make it a compelling option for budget-conscious taxpayers. It's a particularly good fit for families, small business owners, and anyone seeking predictable pricing without hidden fees. In summary, Jackson Hewitt Online is a straightforward, cost-effective tax solution that prioritizes reliability and ease of use. With its flat-rate pricing, unlimited state filings, and accuracy guarantee, it's a great choice for those seeking a hassle-free tax filing experience. Check out the links in the description to learn more and determine if Jackson Hewitt Online is the right fit for your tax needs.